Hello and welcome to Gardening and Allotment Tips, hosted by me, Gardening with Ben. If you've not listened to my Gardening with Ben podcast, make sure you find it on Spotify or whatever you're listening to, and subscribe to that channel as well. There's over 120 episodes for you to listen to on there, so plenty to keep you going while you're in the allotment or in the garden as well. But if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button because there's lots more episodes coming. These are short 5-minute episodes talking about a different gardening tip for the time of year on a regular basis. So today's gardening tip that we're going to be talking about for December in the UK, but obviously you can use it where you are if needs be, is winter pruning your fruit bushes. Around this time of year, your fruit bushes will be pretty much dormant. They probably have lost all the leaves off them as well, and they're probably looking kind of weary, bare, and not very much alive. But they will still be alive and kicking underneath. They'll just be going to sleep, hibernating, ready for the winter. But if you have a closer inspection at some of your fruit bushes, some of the branches may be woody, dead, or diseased. So make sure you go around having a look for any of those branches, pruning them back, giving them a good old trim, and a good old tidy up. And obviously around this time of year, the plant is concentrating on the root growth, so giving it that prune back will concentrate on doing that. And then come springtime, when the plant starts waking up again, it will force itself to start growing new branches and fresh growth on it. So if it's looking crowded in a certain area, obviously you can't tell as much at the moment because there's no leaves on it, but try and add a bit of space to have some air circulating through the plant for when the leaves are growing on it, because you don't want the plant to be too compact that the air can't circulate with it. They say that about fruit trees as well. You need to let the air circulate around or the fruit won't grow very well at all. So now in December is a good time to get that done. So if you've got plenty of fruit bushes, have a look at them, give them a nice tidy up, give them a nice haircut. Sometimes you can cut off about a third of the branches off the fruit tree, and obviously pruning it back as well can encourage more fruit to grow as well next year as well. Obviously you may not get as much because you have given it a prune back, but it will concentrate, it will certainly help the plant grow more and hopefully more successful in years to come, and it'll make the plant stronger as well because it's putting its power into growing them roots through the winter as well. So mark that off on your jobs, get it down on your list, and hopefully get that job done in your garden as well. You could even do it tonight if you want to. Tick it off and get it completed. So hopefully you will be back for the next episode. If you've not clicked that subscribe button, click it and you will get notified of new podcasts coming up as well. Until next time, as always, remember, keep smiling, keep gardening, and keep listening to Gardening with Ben podcasts.